In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a circle on Life360 app. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Life360 app. Once it loads and I'm on the main map screen, I'll give it a second. So everything fully updates. You should see your current circle name at the top of the screen. Now up at the top, I'm tapping on the drop down arrow next to the circle name. This opens up the list of all the circles I'm part of. From here, I'm going to choose the circle that I want to delete. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you're part of multiple circles, because everything we do next will apply only to the circle you pick. Once the circle switches over, I'm heading to the top left corner and tapping on the settings icon, the little gear. This opens the settings specifically for this circle, not your whole account, so you're in the right place. Inside settings, I'm scrolling down until I see circle management, then I'll tap on that. This is where all the controls for the circle live, including members and circle options. Before you can actually delete a circle, there's one important thing you need to do first, and that's make sure there are no other members left in it. So at this point, you'll want to remove any members who are still part of the circle. If there's anyone else listed besides you, go ahead and remove them from the circle first. This is required because Life360 won't let a circle exist without an owner once members are gone. Take your time here and make sure you've removed everyone. Once you've confirmed that you're the only person left in the circle, you're ready for the final step. Still inside circle management, I'm scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Down here you'll see the option that says leave circle. Now this might sound a little confusing at first, but this is actually how Life360 deletes a circle. When you're the last member and you leave the circle is automatically deleted. So go ahead and tap on leave circle. As soon as you tap it, Life360 will show a confirmation message asking if you're sure. This is just a final check because once you leave, the circle will no longer exist. If you're sure everything's been removed and you're ready to delete it, tap yes to confirm. Once you tap yes, the action happens immediately. The circle is deleted right away and you'll be taken out of it. You won't see it in your drop down list anymore, and there's nothing else you need to do after this. There's no waiting period and no extra confirmation email. After leaving the circle, Life360 may bring you back to a screen where you can choose another circle, join one, or create a new one. That's totally normal and just means the old circle is gone. If you ever want to create a new circle in the future, you can do that anytime from the drop down at the top of the app. Deleting a circle doesn't affect your account at all, it only removes that specific group. So just to go through it one more time while it's fresh, you opened the Life360 app, tapped the drop down at the top, selected the circle you wanted to delete, opened settings, went into circle management, removed all members from the circle, then tapped leave circle and confirmed by tapping yes. That's what fully deletes the circle, and that's it. That's how you delete a circle on the Life360 app using an iPhone.